Welcome to my channel. This video was filmed on location in Austell, Georgia. Located northwest of Atlanta, Austin is known as one of the best railfan locations in the state of Georgia. Austell is located at the junction of two major Norfolk Southern lines, the Atlanta North District between Atlanta and Chattanooga, and the East End District to Birmingham, Alabama. As a result, a large number of Norfolk Southern trains pass this location along with the Amtrak Crescent going to and from New Orleans. This video is our third train of the morning. An intermodal pulled by Norfolk Southern. You will notice it is going relatively slowly. Perhaps it is a function of the single locomotive pulling it or just the restrictions placed on the engineer. For whatever reason, it gives us a chance to see the details on the containers as they go by. And as you can tell, this is a very bright sunny day and I have an umbrella to help me limit my exposure to it. Well, I hope you enjoy the video as much as we enjoyed filming it for you. You'll notice that this one is crawling by probably about 15 miles an hour. It's not any more than that, but it's an intermodal. Norfolk Southern's pulling it. Well, here comes the end. That's all for this episode. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, write a comment, or share with one of your railfound buddies. I try to answer every comment. While you're at it, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything, but it helps the channel immensely. We strive to create videos that are safe, free of any bad language or inappropriate views or behavior. Until we meet again, this is Grandpa, Buddy, and Grandma Booth signing off. Have a great day.